This channel is called Excuses Erased, and they create powerful, life-changing videos that makes you stop, think, and take action. Without ever showing their face, they have built a massive audience with just stories, emotions, and visuals. And with only 33 videos uploaded on their channel, they have gained over 150,000 subscribers. What if I told you that you can create a channel just like this using only 2 AI tools? Yes, no camera, no mic, no expensive setup, just 2 AI tools that do the work for you. Just stick around with me and I will show you exactly how to do it. So the first step is generating video ideas and scripting, and the first AI tool that we need is ChatGPT. This AI tool will help us brainstorm ideas and come up with compelling stories. Every great video starts with a compelling story or message, and this is what this AI tool will do for us. Just tell it to give you 5 motivational story ideas for YouTube Shorts. Hit enter and wait for the results. From there, all you have to do is go through your list. These are 5 topic ideas that you can take advantage of. I really love number 2, which says the $1 investment. A struggling artist uses his last dollar to buy a pencil. With that pencil, he sketches a masterpiece that changes his life forever. So what I'll simply do is I'll go to the prompt bar and I'll type in this prompt which says write a script about. So the about is this topic which it has provided us. Then we'll paste it here. Then here at the end, we'll just put to say in a dramatic storytelling style, and we'll hit enter. Once ChatGPT is done writing a compelling script for us, what we have to do is copy it and paste it in a Google Doc. Here we need to refine our script to make it engaging, emotional, and absolutely powerful. We want to ensure that our story follows a strong narrative arc with a clear beginning, conflicts, and resolution to keep our audience hooked. But that's not the only way of coming up with video ideas. The second method we can use to come up with video ideas is by going back to YouTube. Here on YouTube, we want to look at videos that are very popular in our niche so that we can get some ideas and inspiration. We want to look at the titles they used, the intro that was used, even the background music if you would love to use a background track in your videos. Now that we have our script ready, it's time to move to the second and final AI tool that is going to help us put everything together. And the AI tool that we're going to use to automate the entire creation process for us is a VSub. You'll find the link in the description below. So this AI tool is going to help us create a full video with a voiceover, with images and some text effects. So what we want to do is click on the login button or get started if we do not have an account. From here, we'll come to AI video. Once we are here, the first thing is to choose a language. So we'll leave it to English, but you have these other options. Then once that is done, you want to choose a template. There are 9 different templates. Go for the one that you feel and think will resonate best with what you are creating. So I'll choose Cartoon 3D. Then I'll scroll down a little bit. Here we've got transcript. Under transcript, we'll make sure that a standard is selected. From there, we need to paste in our script. So we'll go to our story and we'll copy the entire script. Come back to VSub and we'll paste our script here. Once the script is pasted, we just have to scroll down and we need to provide additional context for image generation. These in-short phrases are just like tags for our images. Input common phrases that are in your script. Once that is done, the next thing that you want to do is to select a voiceover. Just scroll up and click on settings. Under setting, you'll find voice, and under voices, you'll find these options where you can get your AI voiceover from. The first option is OpenAI and the second option is ElevenLabs. You can easily connect to ElevenLabs with VSub account. So what I'll simply do, I've already connected mine, so I'll just select it. From there, just click on this drop down arrow here to select a voice that you prefer. I'll leave it to Adam. Then from there, I'll make sure that the size of my video is 9:16 because we are creating YouTube Shorts. Then on image duration, I'll make sure that I leave it to 1. From there, what I'll simply do is click on continue. We'll wait for VSub to create the AI voice, transcribe our audio, generate image ideas, and create AI images, and finally render the video to us. And once our video is generated, we'll have something that looks like this. Now, before I show you how the final product looks, here are the few things I would love you to take note of. So the first one is content. So this is the image that has been generated for this particular scene or sentence. Now, we can change this image by clicking on this icon here to regenerate an image, or we can click on the change button here to upload an image. That's if we have a specific image that we want to use. Not only that, we can download all the images by clicking on this download button here and give them that personal touch, edit them a little bit and re-upload them to the platform. That's if we would love to do that. Then when we come to settings here, this is where we can increase the voice and the pitch of our voice. We can also add some effects to our video. That's if we want to. To upload the music, what we simply have to do is come to music here and upload our audio file. From there, just increase the volume or reduce it and you'll be done. But that's not it. When we observe carefully, we've got some text popping up on the screen. So we can come to subtitles here and we can change or edit some words. That's if there is a word that has been misspelled. Then we can come to style here. This is where we can personalize our font, change the color of our font. We can change the font type, add shadows, strokes and backgrounds to our text, and every text effect that we would love to add. Besides that, we've got templates. This is where we can choose a specific template that we would love to use in our video. If you have the logo and you'd love to add a logo to your video, what you simply have to do is come to tools and upload your logo by clicking on this upload button, and from there increase the size and the opacity of your logo. Once that is done, just click on the download button here and your video will be downloaded into your PC. Now, the question I get a lot of times is, can you make money with YouTube Shorts? Absolutely. Does YouTube monetize AI content? Yes, YouTube does monetize AI content. If this inspired you, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI-powered content creation tips. See you on this next video. Let me show you how the final product looks. Now, one last thing that you must put into consideration is by downloading your video and editing it further for higher retention. What I mean is you want to remove every single silent part in your video. Just trim them out and make your story flow smoothly. God bless you.
Jaden had nothing left except $1. His dreams of becoming an artist slipping away. His stomach growling with hunger. His heart heavy with doubt. He walked through the streets, the dollar clutched in his trembling fingers. He could buy a snack, something small, something temporary. Or he could take a risk, a pencil, $1, one last chance. He wasn't buying just a pencil, he was buying hope. Doubt whispered in his mind. What if I fail? He gripped the pencil, took a deep breath, and began to draw. He poured his struggles into the lines, his hopes into the details, his soul into the shading. And when he finally stepped back, there it was, a masterpiece, a portrait so real, so raw, it felt like it was breathing. People walked by, barely glancing. Then, "Excuse me, did you draw this? This is incredible. I own an art gallery. I'd love to showcase your work." $1, one pencil, one choice, changed everything. Because sometimes the smallest investment becomes the biggest turning point. Believe in your dream, even when no one else does.